Kenny from Pro Tool Reviews. I've got Milwaukee's two 18-gauge cordless nailers with me today. I want to show you some of the improvements they've made from one generation to the next. So obviously just looking at the two, you can see the difference in the size profile. The new one is a little bit lighter as well, but a lot of it has to do with the performance side. So one of the things that Milwaukee had in their first generation was there's a little bit of a delay in the firing. And I've got it in bump fire mode right now. I'll show you what that's like. So it's not a massive delay, it's not stupid, but it's there. And see if we can see it a little better going into single fire mode. And you can see from when I pull the trigger to when that nail fires. It's pretty quick, but just that tiny bit of delay. On the other hand, with the new nailer, it's immediate. And I've gone ahead and we got this in bump fire mode. So just there's a lot quicker response out of it. And you can see that when I go to pull the trigger as well in single fire mode. Just that delay is gone. So nice improvement there. Of course, you're not ever going to fire finish nails that quickly into material. That's why I just use some scrap 2x. The other thing that we noticed from our field work, and we got this response from several of our guys, is that the visibility is greatly improved. And so when you kind of look at what we've got laid out here, there's just a grid, and it helps us see how accurately are we placing these nails. So again, I'm in single fire mode. And when I look at this, I assume that I want to line up my nail right at the edge here. And when I do, my nail drives, I mean, that's probably a full 1/4 inch ahead. So, I mean, I can learn and adjust and start to dial it in a little bit better. But when I'm really going for that super accurate placement, there's a little bit of a challenge there. And kind of got to look around a little bit more. So nose is a bit clunky on that. But then look at the difference when you shift over to the new one. There's just a lot less going on right here around the nose. And now, I've got the depth adjusted here a little bit. But now, when I put this right on the spot that I wanted to go, yeah, I'm a lot closer. And if I was shooting into a harder material, I'll go ahead and we're going to sink these fully so you can see it, how big of a difference it is. You know, now when I put that marker dead on my spot, that's where it goes. So much better visibility, much better accuracy on this one. It's one of the biggest differences that our pros from the field told us about, and they're saying it's so much more significant that it's like using a completely different tool than this first generation. So, got any questions about it? Feel free to ask them in the comments below. Be sure to check out our review on ProToolReviews.com. I'm Kenny. Thanks for watching.
Hey, help us out by subscribing to the channel below and tap that bell to get notified when we post new tool reviews and shootouts. And as always, thanks for watching.